Going off the new project track that I paid little to nothing to get. And in 3, 2, 1, here we go. It is a 95 Ford F-150 with a 5.0. It's got some rust. But the first thing I like about it, these are brand new tires and they don't even have 1,000 miles on them. I think they've got like 900 and some change on them. Hardly anything in it. There's a receipt in the glove box too. It's got a little bit of mud on it because I had to use the car hauler down the dirt road. Dual gas tanks, both fuel pumps seem to work. I question this front tank though. I opened this tailgate and like the whole tailgate kind of fell off. So these two mounts down here are rusted. So I'm actually gonna either re-weld that or I'm just gonna take the tailgate off and make a custom gate. Here we go down the other side of the track. This CB antenna was mine. I had it on the red track, and I had no use for it, so I was just like, oh, I'll put it on the purple track. Now this is the original window sticker. It was in the glove box, but the glove box had a mouse nest in it, so they messed it up, and it's not even. It just stinks too bad. I'm not even gonna bother to save it. But the color is called Royal Blue. What was it? Hold on. Royal Blue Clear Coat Metallic. With, of course, cloth seats. She's got the 5.0. It is a $19,000 truck, which is actually way cheaper than what you can get one for these days. It's got a bed liner. It came with the sub pump. I gotta get that back. Now this fender rubs on the front fender of the car. Carpet's a little dingy in places, but that doesn't bother me. This piece, I'm actually gonna... I don't know what I'm gonna do for that. I'm gonna just get like a steel plate and like weld that back together. Lumbar. It's a fascinating system. I just cleaned it up. It stinks a little bit from the mice, but it's getting better. Radio works. Has a heater. And there's my CB radio card. Got it running in here. I have no use for it in the red truck, so I may as well just keep it in this one. Power steering fluid has a leak, but nothing major. Blinkers work. I actually thought this multifunction switch was bad at first, but it turns out it's pretty much a brand new switch. They still have the wrapper around it. Dual fuel tanks, of course. Now here's the kicker though. I want to get out. Can't get out, so I gotta go. Then we roll it back up. It just runs super smooth though. Again with those brand new tires. They left a nice receiver on it. That's going to come in handy for the landscaping trailer. This stuff's actually starting to peel, and I might just peel it off the rest of the way, because I think it'd be a cleaner looking truck if I did that. But I don't know yet. I'm going to get input from other people.
Scored 20, Reggie Jackson had 16 points. In sports, 4 degrees.
No music on.
Step 43, and they wrap up the regular season on. And land to partly cloudy tonight, rain showers or flip. In Clark County, we're 13.
Despacito, right? Well, try
the offense in the game. And Cisco Lyric.
What else have we got?
Say Godridge Dodd.
You can't afford bite that tattoo on your
whatever.
shoulder. Pull the sheets right off the coat.
An expansion.
The
clock and it's all.
And again, without trying to show too much information, it's a 95 F-150, and I'm on the wrong. Had 184,954 miles, and now it's sitting at 185,387, which means it's got a little bit around 1,000 miles on them, give or take. Paid part in cash and part on the MasterCard. It's not going to focus. Focus! There we go. Good stuff. Now here's the other kicker of it. Well, the brake pedal doesn't return, so I have to do dual feet. Put it in drive. We'll release the brake pedal. Here we are rolling. Drop her into reverse. She goes backwards too. Of course, we'll put her back in the park. So I think once I figure out the brakes, the oil pan, and the other stuff, it'll be a good track.